Call that neck respect, ayy. I might buy that Wraith in the morning just so I could race. Yeah, straight baguettes, choking my neck like a neck brace. Yeah, the drooling over my last watch, waiting till my next thing. Yeah, thought it was real, turn out he got a change. Yeah. 10 pints, I need drink, I need perks, I can't think. Used to be broke, made it work, whipping at work over the sink. I was too scared of the white police to do a heist, rob a bank. Resorted to robbing my own kind. Junkies blowing up my phone.
We're gonna blur this out, but we're on the premiere of Miguel. What the are you doing? Alright, we're on the premiere. We're gonna have a lot of segments of Miguel. What the are you doing? On today's episode of Miguel, what the are you doing? We're shotgunning some orange juice. We're gonna dive into the ocean. The craziest waves, Balboa Beach. Meet us here when we get famous. We got Flacco, we got Bobo, we got Fish Street Jr. Go, where you come? Go. Miguel, it's coming, hurry!
Girl, you know you can. Girl, I know you can. Do it with no hands. Travel through my mind. And we can spend these bands. We can spend some time. London or France. Maybe Japan. Karate Kid. That mean I've been getting money like I'm James Smith. I'm a real one. All these other counterfeit. I'ma pop some. I'm getting too old to throw a fit. Brody along the clip. Okay. Got my enemies away. Remember I was broke, reminiscing in the kitchen. Auntie yelling at me, talking about some dirty dishes. Money spending, foreign car switch. Ayy, don't wanna talk today, tomorrow. I'ma walk with you. Hey,
look. I know he just gets up.
Girl, I know you can. Do it with no hands. Travel through my mind. And we can spend these bands. We can spend some time. London or France. Maybe Japan. Karate Kid. That mean I've been getting money like I'm James Smith. I'm a real one. All these other counterfeit. I'ma pop some. I'm getting too old to throw a fit. Brody along the clip. Okay. Got my enemies away. Remember I was broke, reminiscing in the kitchen. Auntie yelling at me, talking about some dirty dishes. Mad money spending, foreign car switch. Ayy, don't wanna talk today, tomorrow. I'ma with you. Yeah, that's me.
I can't. I think I lost. Please throw up, Miguel, please.
It's literally right here.